Guys, I had a request from a viewer to show you about some of the clips on these boosters and how they work. That clip right there you're looking at is the clip of the inner trim on the dash. The way these come out, you take a pick like this. This is a L pick. Okay, put in the middle of the press in, and they come right out. That's what the pick looks like, or the clip, excuse me. And then when you put it back in, you make sure the little hickey's out. Press it in. Now, that's one type of clip these have. Let me put you on pause. I'll show you another one. Another kind of clip these have, too, is, I don't know if you can see it down there. That's the same kind of... These clips here, they require a flathead screwdriver. Okay, and basically what you do, they turn. Pop it out like that. And they come out. And they go in with the hickey out. Just put it in there. And that's it naturally. That's basically, the Busa has two types of clips. It has this kind here that requires a flathead screwdriver, and these kind here. Now there's a little bit of a larger type one like that inside that panel there, and then naturally you have the Allen head bolts. Now those clips are actually clips underneath your rear tail. There's more clips like that inside the nose. I think the nose up here has two clips. There's two of the clips that require the flathead screwdriver underneath the fairing. And I think there's a couple underneath the seat. Okay. We got her up on the stands, and I'll catch you guys later.